In this episode, we're talking about utilizing rubrics with intermediate and secondary writers. Now, I recognize that there's a huge difference between a rubric used with an 8-year-old versus one used with 18-year-olds. However, the purpose and process for building a writing rubric is the same. Consequently, this episode is appropriate for teachers working with writers in grades 3 through 12. While writer conferences are a huge component of growing writers, they can't be the only means of propelling students to improve their writing. With only one teacher and 20-plus students, we need another way for students to assess their own writing, independent of us. This is when many attempt to integrate a rubric into their writing classrooms. And although their intentions are good, many make a few key missteps in the process.